wondering if there's parties still on tonight. Oh yeah, 8's good for me. Yeah, see you there then. Yeah, I'm just popping to the shops, just like wondering if we should get some nibbles or something. Maybe like, you know, like a pile of hummus or something. And like, Davidson's coming. Oh my god, no way, he's such a lad. Do you remember last time? Oh my, fuck, he was like sick on the dog, wasn't he? Oh yeah, and I stole his mum's bra. And you ate a whole bucket of lard. And then we made like soap figurines out of it. Kangaroo bollocks. Peanut butter rat. And then
Yeah,
remember when you were like off your face and you shat in the hot tub? What a floater. And then Davidson set their grandma on fire. 3rd-degree burns, man. Brilliant. Yeah, I'll definitely bring in the Coke then. Gonna be a good night. Yeah, see you then. Oh, jelly top. If found, return to 11A Coxton Way, Farnham. Urgent? Well, I guess I have enough time. I mean, I don't need to be there till like 8. Yeah.